인종차별이 만연했던 1930년대 남아프리카의 한 농장. 영국인 미망인으로부터 한 아이가 태어나고 3주 전 코끼리에 밟혀 사망한 아빠 피터 필립 케너스의 약자를 따 PK라는 이름을 갖게 되며 줄루족 유모 밑에서 성장하게 됩니다.
I remember my mother telling me that she was a child of England, where she grew up with books and music. But I was a child of Africa, who woke to the smell of jacaranda blossoms and fell asleep to the sound of the weaver birds nesting for the night.
그렇게 시간이 지나고
Mother taught us about England, Nanny taught us about Africa.
Madam, come quickly, come. It's bad in the kettle.
극심한 가뭄으로 키우던 소가 모두 죽고 이에 충격을 받은 어머니마저 병들어 눕자 그녀가 편히 쉴 수 있도록 PK는 기숙학교에 입학하게 되죠. 그렇지만
The English drove us into the wilderness, but we returned stronger than before to put down the black.
이곳은 대다수가 독일계로 구성된 아프리카너의 학교였는데요.
I remember my first lesson. In 1896, the Afrikaners had tried to overthrow the government of the English, but the English army was too strong. The English locked up 26,000 Afrikaner women and children into what they called concentration camps.
홀로 영국인이었던 PK는 아프리카너 학생들의 괴롭힘에 시달리며
But deliver us from evil forever and ever.
그중 영국인에 대해 증오심이 가장 컸던 야피 보타의 표적이 됩니다.
He's ready. I'm here, Roynet. We've been saving this all day for you.
Fear or shame, or both, I don't know. But just after the bullying in the shower, I began to wet my bed.
그렇게 끔찍한 기숙생활을 이어가던 중
Hey, your mother is dead.
PK는 어머니의 사망 소식을 듣고 세상에 홀로 남겨졌다는 사실에 깊은 상실감에 빠지게 되죠.
Since my only other living relative, my grandfather, was away in the Congo, it was decided last Easter that I return to boarding school, a decision which terrified me. I confided in Nanny what had happened and how I'd become a bedwetter. She did what any good Zulu mother would do. She called on the greatest medicine man of the tribe. I said a silent prayer that his magic was stronger than my trouble. The Bulumansi said my troubles came from fear deep in my heart. He drew 3 circles of magic powder on the ground, placed a chicken in each one. He said the chicken who broke out of the circle was the bravest. He would be my guide on the journey to find my courage.
Oh, singa suge phansi. Oh, singi.
I'd faced the most powerful creature on earth, a creature I'd feared since hearing about how my father died. I'd earned his respect for my courage. There would be no more problem with the Nightwater.
PK는 줄루족 주술사의 도움으로 두려움을 극복하는 방법을 배우며 자신에게 용기를 전해준 닭을 선물 받고
In Zulu, that means mother courage. At night, she would nest above my bed and keep a sharp eye.
그날 이후 그 닭은 유일한 친구이자 정신적 지주로 함께하게 됩니다. 그렇지만 행복도 잠시. 2차 세계대전이 발발하고 아프리카너 학생들은 영국과 싸우는 독일을 지지하며 반영 정서가 극에 달하자 보타와 그를 따르는 무리들은 PK에게 영국인에 대한 증오심을 토해냅니다.
Silence!
Biskop, when Hitler comes, we'll rise up and kill the verdammte Royness. For crimes committed against the Afrikaner people, I, Yapi Bertha, the judge and Überführer, sentence your Roynek Kafir chicken to death.
눈앞에서 유일한 친구를 잃게 된 BK는 격분하여 보타에게 달려드는데
Hang him up. You will pay for the deaths of our grandfathers and grandmothers. I sentence you to die, verdammte Reineck.
이때 교장 선생님이 등장하고
You dumb cop.
이 사건으로 보타는 퇴학을 당하며 PK의 기숙학교 생활은 이렇게 끝이 나게 되죠.
I buried Mossy Bindi the very next day. It seemed I was to lose everyone I'd ever loved, would ever love me, my mother, my chicken, and now Nanny. Loneliness birds seemed to fly into my heart and lay large stone eggs. My whole body hurt with sadness. My grandfather came home from the Congo to his house in Barberton, where English people lived. I was sent to live with him.
그렇지만 PK는 이곳 생활에서도 적응하지 못하고 외로움을 느끼자 유일한 혈육이었던 그의 할아버지는 아이를 위해 자신이 친구이자 독일이 지성이었던 닭을 소개해 줍니다.
You know, my donkey Beethoven once told me a remedy of curing sadness in little boys. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. That was how I met
Beethoven.
Doc, who collected cacti,
Would you
played
like
piano,
to peek
and showed me how to talk to his donkey,
Tum tum tum.
Beethoven. Doc was a famous pianist who gave concerts all over the world. While he was in South Africa, the war broke out. He couldn't go home. In Germany, Hitler killed Doc's whole family because they believed in peace. Doc said a person needed two things in life, good health and good education. He said my health was good, but my education needed immediate attention. Doc showed me Africa. He made Africa my classroom. My lessons began every day at sunrise. Doc showed me how to look at things differently than I ever had before.
Out here, your brain will learn where to look, how to look, and how to think. Any question you ever have, the answer you will find in nature.
PK는 닭에게서 음악과 문학 그리고 인생의 지혜를 배우며 내면의 힘을 키워나가자 그동안 마음 한편 남아있었던 외로움은 자연스레 사라지고 2차 세계대전이 한창인 어느 날 닭의 농장에 한 군인이 방문합니다.
How are you today, Captain?
By order of His Majesty's government, for the failure to register as an alien citizen, you are hereby remanded to Barberton Prison for the duration of the war with Germany, your country of origin.
It was then I realised that the Afrikaners were not the only ones to hate and fear others. The English were in for their fair share as well.
닭은 단지 적국의 국민이라는 이유만으로 정부에 의해 수용소에 수감됐지만 아프리카너 간수들은 당시 최고의 지성인이었던 그에게 예우를 다하며 PK 또한 방과 후 닭과 함께할 수 있도록 혜택을 누리게 됩니다.
I'm going to allow you to put your garden across on that side. You can plant all your cactus there.
I would bring my bucket with the cactus wrapped in a tobacco leaf to keep it moist.
The tobacco leaf, leave in the bucket. Soon as he has full evaluation. What are your marks?
Satisfactory.
The PK I know is a lot more than just a satisfactory. He's a brain. Come, I will introduce you to someone who will show you how to use your brain to keep from getting beaten up.
PK는 닭의 손에 이끌려 권투장으로 향하고
Would it be too much trouble for my friend PK here to learn some boxing?
Hey, Gaffer! Come here.
Yes, meneer.
이 과정에서 그는 코치이자 훗날 자신의 멘토가 되어줄 수감자 피트를 만나게 됩니다.
You want to be a boxer?
I think I'm too little.
Not too very clean, boss. Little beat big, when little smart. First with the head, then with the heart. You can remember that?
Yes, sir.
No. No, little boss. You must never call me sir.
Because of the gods.
Yes,
When I first met Hill Peart, he spent 40 of his 55 years in one prison or another. He told me he'd been a thief, a con man, and a lot of other things. Now he was my teacher and my friend.
1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to build for you 8-punch combination. He'll beat it, you.
You listen. Wunder.
Oh, excuse me, Professor.
Yeah.
Every time I see the little boss bring the cactus, inside the bucket is some tobacco leaf. A little smoke late at night. Only little pleasure we have in this hard life, man.
I understand.
Why don't they let you have tobacco?
Because, Piquet, when it is a person's job to punish, it's all they know how to do. You know?
I smell something not right here.
Ah! It's enough, Sergeant. That's enough, Sergeant.
Here, we say what is enough, Professor. Not you.
눈앞에서 흑인들이 겪는 끔찍한 인종차별을 목격한 PK.
Sorry to make trouble. Sorry, little boss. Now on, we just stick to the boxing.
Gilles Pete! I leave my bucket on the side of the piano when I practice. It is cleaned out every day.
그날 이후 닭은 간수들 몰래 피트에게 담뱃잎을 선물하고 피트는 동료들과 함께 나누며 고된 수용 생활을 견뎌나가는데 그렇게 시간이 지나고
5 years passed before I knew it. And while outside the prison, everyone waited anxiously for the end of World War II. Inside, everyone was concerned with just one thing: the outcome of the Inter-Prison Boxing Championships.
피트의 지도하에 시합에서 우승하고 챔피언이 된 PK는 자신도 모르게 수감자들에게 희망을 전파하는 레인메이커로 거듭나게 됩니다.
That song about the Rainmaker. Why are they always singing it around me?
All the tribes believe that us.
Stop them, Martin.
That when there is drought, it is because the people are in conflict. Nyanga Zulu, the rainmaker, cools things down. The earth, the sky, the people. He stops the conflict. He brings the rain. He brings the peace, man.
Okay, fine. But what has it got to do with me?
Well, Plain Bass, you like young Zulu. You cool things down, man. You write the letters for all the tribes. You bring the tobacco for all the tribes. Ah, thank you, Professor.
You and the man. Enjoy the tobacco.
See you tomorrow, Rainmaker.
이때 이들의 모습을 지켜보고 있었던 간수 보어만.
Empty the bucket cover.
You are a bunch of shit eaters, aren't you, Cover?
Yes, Bass.
Bloody right.
Now get eating.
Your day will come, and it'll be as black as your bloody soul. I promise you.
But it still broke my heart to see a man I loved so degraded. They look confused.
They are confused, little Bass. They are confused. They are afraid. They are cowards.
Good news! The Americans have crossed the Rhine. The war!
마침내 독일이 전쟁에서 패배하고 2차 세계대전이 종전을 맞이하자 닭 또한 수용소를 떠나 본국으로 돌아갈 수 있다는 사실에 한껏 들떠 있는데요.
I just heard the news.
Yeah, here. We were just discussing it.
Ah, Professor, we are going to miss you, man.
Thank you.
Professor, I wonder if I can ask you a favor.
Of course.
At the end of this month, the commissioner is paying us his yearly visit. Now, can you organize a concert in his honor?
A concert?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will arrange something for the commissioner. Why do you want me to give a concert for these people?
No, Professor. Not for them. For us, man. Yes. You can write the music. Little boss here can write the words.
But the tribes don't even talk to each other, to sing together. It will never happen. Never.
It will if the little boss says so. Remember the myth.
그렇게 그들은 음악회를 준비하게 되고 PK는 부족들끼리 서로 화합하지 못하고 다투는 수감자들을 위해 곡을 만들기로 결심합니다.
Just finish the lyrics. They're about the gods.
That's wonderful. Let me hear.
They run this way, they run that way. They are confused, they are afraid. They are cowards. Having obtained the cooperation of all the tribal groups, as Hillsby predicted, I set out to instruct them. A handful of men from each tribe were chosen to learn their tribe's part. They in turn taught others, who taught others until everyone knew his part.
보어만은 점점 하나로 융화되는 그들을 못마땅한 듯 바라보며 마침내 음악회가 시작되는데
Met alle praat, waar is die tolk?
Was het niet ook hier niet, commandant?
Wat?
Herr Kommandant, Piquet is excellent translator.
The only reason that I'm allowing this concert is to honor the visit of the commissioner here and his lovely friend, and also out of respect for the professor. Even if he is in prison, he's not a dirty criminal like the rest of them.
Nkasi, uyani mokela, futi, uyatoga zela namtlalo, ozokwenzeka namhlanje.
피트는 점점 더 가까이서 들려오는 노랫말에 흥얼거리며 연주회로 향하는 이때 하필 도끼가 잔뜩 오른 보어만을 마주하게 되죠.
This concert was your idea. What are they singing?
They run. They run. They are.
We are afraid.
간수를 비방하는 노래는 수용소 전체에 울려 퍼지며 저항의 메시지를 전하지만 뒤늦게 나타난 보어만을 보고 PK는 불길함을 직감한 채 서둘러 피트를 찾아 나서는데
All the tribes together because of you, Rainmaker.
Oh, please.
Little defeat, big.
My little is smart. First with the head, and then with the heart. No.
결국 피트는 PK 마음속 깊은 곳 가르침을 남기며 그렇게 숨을 거두게 됩니다. 그렇게 시간이 지나고 1948년 아프리카노의 국민당이 집권하자 아파르트헤이트 정책 시행으로 인종차별은 극에 치닫게 되고 이 시기 PK는 요하네스버그의 명문고 프린스 오브 웨일스 스쿨에 입학한 후 닥과 피트의 가르침을 이어나가며 운동도 지속한 결과 고교 복싱 대회에 출전하게 됩니다. 이때 관중 속 한 여성을 보게 되고 서로에게 호감을 갖게 된 두 사람.
What the hell happened? You were killing him. The girl, find out who she is. Find out who she is. In the interest of good sportsmanship.
Get back at him.
다시 정신을 차린 PK는 압도적인 차이로 경기를 지배하여 마침내 고교 복싱 대회에서 우승하게 됩니다.
The winner is the Wales School, PK.
It's all set. I'll fall tomorrow at his gym. I'll be Runeveld himself. Hey, what about the girl? Forget the girl. I'm not going to forget the girl. Her father's Dr. Daniel Murray.
PK는 마라이스가 국민당 고위 관료인 것을 알고서도 인종차별을 부정하는 자신이 확고한 신념이 있었기에 그날 밤 그는 사랑을 고백하고자 마리아의 기숙학교에 몰래 들어가 그녀와 재회합니다.
Oh no, please.
I didn't know how else to meet you.
I could be expelled.
Will you see me?
I can't. My father would never give me permission to see an English boy.
Dr. Murray, mag ek jou Dr. Maria Elisabeth sien asseblief?
PK, they'll hear you.
Maria! Jongens, Master, morgen
I'll be there in a minute.
그렇게 PK는 마리아와의 교제를 허락받기 위해 그녀의 아버지를 찾게 되는데
Admiring the art?
Yes, sir.
It's Maria's family history from 1688 all the way to the present. That's my great uncle, Jan Piet. He led a commando at 22 until your people caught him and hanged him.
You mean the English? I'm a South African, sir.
So am I. So are the Zulus, the Xhosa, the Pongwe, the Ndebele, the Sotho. We're all South Africans, just from separate tribes.
Some say all our problems would be solved if we stopped thinking of South Africa in terms of separate tribes.
If you want to impress me with your intellect, don't do it by espousing liberal ideas procured in an English private school. I'm sorry I won't give you permission to see my daughter. Goeiedag.
마레이스는 극단적 인종 분리 정책을 시행하려는 국민당의 핵심 인물이었기에 딸의 교제를 결코 용인할 수 없었고 현실의 벽에 부딪힌 PK는 이대로 사랑하는 여자를 포기할 수 없었기에 반대를 무릅쓰고 마리아와 비밀 데이트를 이어나갑니다.
Bloody country's gone to hell.
그리고 그는 권투 선수로서 더 높은 곳을 오르기 위해 시내 한 체육관을 찾게 되는데
Mr. Groenewald.
Oh, yeah. The champion, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, look here. You train in this gym. It's not like these nice schoolboy fights you used to, huh?
It's 6 months in advance.
6 months? I don't know who's going to last 6 minutes.
Well, there's only one way to find out, sir.
이내 테스트가 시작되고 PK는 압도적인 기량으로 상대를 제압하자
8-punch combination, huh? Where did you learn such a thing?
In prison, sir.
그는 재능을 인정받아 체육관과 계약을 맺고 정식 입단을 하게 됩니다.
This is Mr. Ilyas Mungisi. He promotes all the fights in Alexandra Township.
You were at the championship last week, eh? Yes. Why were the people singing? Angazi, I don't know.
He's come to propose a fight for you with one of his boxers, Gideon Duma.
Black and white fights are illegal. Where would the match be held?
In Alexander.
So after we're arrested for the fight, we'll be arrested for being in a township. Morty's right. This fight's not for us. Will that be all, sir?
Yeah, well, then, that'll be all.
Thank you. You're both a slice short of a loaf.
I thought race mixing was illegal.
It is.
So how does he get away with it up there?
We keep wondering the same thing.
Mr. PK? Excuse me, Mr. PK. I did not mean to be dishonest in my answer. But I did not want to make public things you have kept private.
Then tell me about the singing.
In bad times, people do what they know. And what they know is the myth of Inyaga Zulu, the rainmaker.
Mr. Mlingisi, listen to me. I'm not that person. This was all made up by a man at Barberton Prison.
Yes, Giel Piet.
Yes, of course. Then you know what I'm saying is true. Giel Piet made this all up.
Yes, and that's why you must fight me. I am Gideon Duma. My people lose everything under this damn apartheid. They can't put their hope in stories. The people must see that just because you beat some Afrikaner schoolboy does not mean you are anything.
But what if he beats you?
Then I become his #1 supporter and use the myth to get everyone moving.
What's this here?
Family servants, officer. I called them in. Our gear needs mending. We're taking it home.
You got a problem with that, you black bastard? No, boss. Then get moving.
Duma, you let me know and I should come collect it. Don't take too long.
Yes, boss.
Oh, you're right.
Oh my God, you lied to the police. It doesn't work for you. I mean the natives. They scare me.
마리아는 흑인에 대해 막연한 거부감이 있었기에 PK는 흑인들의 삶과 문화 그리고 그들이 간절히 바라는 희망을 보여주려 흑인 거주 지역에서 열리는 복싱 시합에 초대하지만 이들의 행보를 주시하고 있었던 마라이스는 수사를 요청하고
The Prince of Wales School. I'd like you to have a look at him.
과거 학교에서 퇴학당하고 경찰이 된 보타가 사건을 맡는 악연이 이어집니다. 마침내 사회에서 허락되지 않는 백인과 흑인의 대결이 성사되고 PK는 힘겹게 승리하지만 예상과는 달리 경기장에서는 정막이 흐르는데 상대가 패배를 인정하고 나서야 PK는 줄루족의 환호와 함께 그들의 숭배를 받게 되며 이 광경을 눈앞에서 목격한 마리아는 흑인들의 애환에 대해 진심으로 공감하게 됩니다.
I'll never forget tonight as long as I live. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good night.
Good night.
The senior ball is next Saturday. I'd like very much if you escorted me.
What about your father?
Just say yes and let me worry about the rest.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good night.
No, thank you.
항시 복수의 기회를 엿보며 PK의 뒤를 밟고 있었던 포타. 이를 눈치채지 못했던 PK는 태연하게 운동을 하며 일상생활을 이어나갑니다.
This is my new friend PK, and this is Miriam Sisulu and her new class. Hello.
Hello. You fought well last night.
Thank you. Come on. What's the keys for? The toilet.
Toilet?
The government allows only one for every 200 people. The law says only 2% of us can go to school. And you know what you learn there? Enough bloody Africans to be maids, street sweepers, or mine slaves. We can't even read the bloody apartheid signs to tell us we aren't allowed to go. You know, we hope for a good tomorrow in South Africa. I want you to start a school to teach my people to read and write English.
Look, kid, I said yes to this running together. But they can't teach millions of people to read or write English.
You taught the singing to many at the prison by teaching a few.
That was different.
What was different? What was different?
A myth you and I don't even believe.
Damn belief. Damn belief. I believe in Africa. I believe in my people. I want to believe in the future. Now, what do you believe in, PK? Tell me, what?
Mind your mouth, Gaffer!
PK는 한 사람의 힘으로 바꿀 수 있는 것에는 한계가 있다고 판단하며 듀마의 부탁을 거절하지만 어디선가 몰려오는 답답한 마음을 달래기 위해 자연을 거닐던 중
Any question you ever have, the answer you'll find in nature.
거대한 폭포를 마주하자 물방울 하나하나가 모여 거대한 물줄기를 이루고 결국 위대한 자연의 힘을 만들어낸다는 것을 깨닫게 되자 단 한 사람의 힘이 수많은 사람들의 힘과 결합될 때 비로소 불합리한 거대 장벽을 허물 수 있다는 확신이 생기며 야학을 결심하게 됩니다.
We can hold the class on Saturday night in the study room. No one's around.
And you're asking me to break that law and possibly jeopardize the survival of the school.
You've taught us that inclusion, not exclusion, is the key to survival, sir.
But at the end of the day, it's only about a dozen people you're talking about teaching. How much difference will that really make?
A waterfall begins with only one drop of water, sir.
How clever of you, PK.
뜻을 실현할 수 있다는 기쁨에 마리아에게 달려가는 PK.
I've got great news.
Listen, I'm going to talk to my father tonight.
You won't have to. Duma asked us to start a school. The head gave us permission to use the study room. We're starting tomorrow night. Will you join us?
The senior ball's tomorrow night.
Maria, this is important.
All I understand is I'm not going to my senior ball because you want to change the world. That's all I understand.
Maria, listen to me.
No!
마리아는 자신을 생각하지 않는 그의 독단적인 모습에 실망한 채 집에 돌아오는데
Thank you. I wish they could be here without being here.
Now that might be tolerable. Friends, after careful consideration, I've decided to leave the university and accept the Prime Minister's offer to join the cabinet.
Congratulations. So you agreed to accept your residential permit plan in full?
Without one revision.
So we should create a homeland for the English too.
A toast
to apartheid.
That doesn't seem fair.
I beg your pardon, Maria?
The homelands are hundreds of miles away. I wouldn't want to have the government telling me I couldn't live with you. If you worked in Pretoria or Cape Town, and I didn't have a permit.
Maria, the plan doesn't apply to us.
Shouldn't apply to anyone, I think.
Maria, when you know nothing about a subject, it's best to say nothing.
I know what I've read. I know what I've seen.
So what have you seen?
I've seen Alexandra.
That English boy?
You are forbidden to ever see him again, Maria. Now excuse yourself. You will learn there's a price to pay for disobeying me.
If this is the price for seeing an English boy, what's the price for seeing a Jewish one?
I won't tolerate this, Maria.
Go to your room!
Or how about a black? What's the price for seeing a black father? I won't hate like you. I won't.
PK와 함께하면서 어느새 변해버린 마리아의 가치관은 아버지와 피할 수 없는 충동을 야기하고 그녀는 자신의 주장을 굽히지 않은 채 집을 뛰쳐나옵니다. 이 시간
Is it all right?
Absolutely. Come on. Right through that door. Despite the government's best efforts to keep you from learning to read or write English, you few have managed to do so. That's no small accomplishment. A, E, I, O.
I thought you might need some help.
그렇게 그 둘은 뜻을 함께하지만 다음날 이들의 행적을 주시하고 있었던 모타는 마침내 발톱을 드러내기 시작하고
He's come to deliver an order to close the Saturday school.
You can have the school closed and leveled in 24 hours, boy.
Yes, permanently.
설상가상으로 그는 PK가 다니는 체육관도 급습하는데
I owe you something, you little bastard! I was beaten by my father for the shame of being expelled. I was made to live in the barn!
You can't be serious. Hold it, boy. You tried to kill me.
They knew you well.
Gideon, no! No!
Bloody guffer.
This is all...
I'm not finished with you. Or the Murray girl.
그녀를 잃게 될지도 모른다는 불안감에 PK는 그날 밤 마리아를 만나 함께 떠날 것을 제안합니다.
My father is sending me to live with my aunt in Pretoria. He said if I ever see you again, he'd have you arrested and ruin your life.
He can't ruin my life. I've been accepted to Oxford. Come with me.
I go to Pretoria tomorrow morning first thing.
I graduate from school in a month. I'll come fetch you first thing.
그녀와 미래를 함께할 것을 약속하며 다음날 체육관으로 향하는데
Black and white together. They won't like that.
To hell with what they like. I train fighters, not bloody ostriches that stick their head in the sand and pretend there's no trouble if they can't see it.
Nazis! Get your hands off me, man! Nazis! Mr. Runabout! Get your hands off me! Mr. Runabout! You get back, Sonny! Everybody out! Now! No! Fighter! Bastard! Be a man, Sonny! Don't let them break you! Feel out! You bloody kaffir botty! The rubbish pusher! You're a shame on our people! Piss cop!
PK는 눈앞에서 불타는 체육관을 보며 또다시 상실감과 절망에 휩싸이지만 그는 더 이상 현실을 회피하지 않고 이에 맞서기 위한 강력한 연대를 형성하고자 단속을 피해 야학을 이어나갑니다.
I want to thank you all for having the courage to come.
Maria, will she be coming?
No, her father sent her to Pretoria. We'll start with the chapter on the conjugation of verbs.
이때
It seems we have a visitor.
떠난 줄로만 알았던 마리아가 방문하고 뜻을 함께하기 위해 야학에 동참하는데
You're mad.
There's work to be done.
To be.
불길한 예감은 항상 현실로 다가오듯
You're violating the sanctity of the church.
경찰의 기습적인 단속이 시작되며 해산을 강요하지만
Sergeant, take the girl. No, stop!
Take your hands off me!
반항하는 과정에서 설상가상으로 마리아는 경찰이 휘두른 봉에 맞아 사망하게 되죠. 한순간의 딸을 잃자 PK에 대한 분노가 극에 달했던 마라이스.
No! Let it be.
Maria's death shattered me like nothing had before. I no longer had the will to resist. I was defeated. I had to tell Doom I was leaving for Oxford.
주변이 사랑하는 사람 전부를 떠나보내야만 했던 PK는 모든 것을 정리한 채 이곳을 떠나기 전 듀마를 찾게 되는데
We wrote this truth to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
우연히 글을 읽고 자신의 뜻을 표현하는 아이를 보자
It works.
Why did I tell you?
작은 변화가 일깨우는 커다란 변화에 대해 놀라움을 금치 못하게 되죠.
I need to work in Durban, in Pretoria, in the Cape. We leave in the morning.
Could you? No, I can't.
Rainmaker. What will it be? Oxford or a good tomorrow? Did Maria die for nothing?
PK는 뜻을 이어나가기로 결심하며
I thought so.
그날 밤 흑인 거주 지역에서 기쁨을 함께하지만
Come on.
They're coming for you.
This way. This way. This way. Come on.
Gideon, listen to me. I won't let this happen. They want me.
It's not about you. It's about all of us. Giving them what they want won't make the struggle any shorter.
경찰의 등장으로 현장은 순식간에 아수라장으로 변하는데
Go! Go! Go!
Tommy! Where is he?
I don't know!
Where's the white boy? Tell me where he is! You can't hide him!
It's over, Buerta. You've caught me. Call them off. Take me in.
I'll take you in when I'm finished with him.
No!
Come on! Come on!
그렇게 질긴 악연이었던 보타의 숨이 끊어지고 나서야 상황은 종료되고 PK는 듀마와 함께 인종차별 철폐 운동에 나서기로 결심하며 이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다.
I remember how my nanny would tell me that if I listened to the wind, I would hear the voices of my life. I listened and heard Doc talk about justice. I heard Heerd Bit talk about hope. I heard Dabula Manzi, the old medicine man, talk about courage. I heard Maria. These are the voices of my life, the voices of Africa. These are the voices I carry with me as Duma and I set out together to help bring our country closer to a good tomorrow.